Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Khanna from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on copper. MCX copper price is moving in strong uptrend from 850 till 902 level by forming higher high higher low formation indicates short-term trend is bullish. At present, copper price had formed double top chart pattern on the higher end of the chart signals sideways bullish movement in the upcoming trading session. However, key resistance on the upside hold at 903 level and break above will surge the price further up till 912 and 927 level in near term. On the other hand, key support hold at 882 level and break below will act as a trend reversal. Any minor degree fall shall consider as a buying opportunity until price is trading above 882 level. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.